These aren't your average cheap cars. These machines sound like they escaped a hypercar showroom, but they won't break the bank. Here are 5 cars under $100,000 that sound like they cost millions. Starting off with Japan's luxury symphony, the Lexus LC500. Under the hood, a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 pushing out 471 horsepower. But it's the sound. A razor-sharp, high-revving scream, tuned by Yamaha's music division. It's refined chaos, and it starts at around $90,000. Next up, BMW's V10 time bomb, the E60 M5. Powered by a Formula One-inspired 5.0-liter V10 engine making 500 horsepower. This thing screams past redline like it's at Monza. Prices range between $25,000 to $40,000 today, but the sound? Priceless. Third, German muscle. The W204C63 AMG packs a 6.2-liter, naturally aspirated V8. It doesn't just growl, it barks like a street-legal race car. Hand-built, 451 horsepower, and one of the last true NA AMGs. Pick one up for $35,000 to $50,000 and you've got a bargain brute. At number 4, Italian elegance with violent vocals. The 2014 Gran Turismo S. It runs a Ferrari-derived 4.7-liter V8 that sings like a symphony from hell. Exotic, loud, and always dramatic. You can find one for around $40,000 to $55,000. And yes, it sounds better than many cars double its price. Last, Britain's beast, the Jaguar F-Type R. A 5.0-liter supercharged V8 producing 550 horsepower, with crackles, pops, and a thunderous roar on every shift. This one's a certified neck snapper, and it'll run you around $60,000 to $70,000. These cars don't just sound expensive. They feel like exotic machines without the supercar price tag. Which one would you take home? Let us know in the comments. This is Shift Culture, where passion drives performance.